I'm going to demonstrate to you a new product that I just bought. Today I'm going to record a very casual video, and I'm not going to filter the noise behind the video. The reason is because I'm going to demonstrate to you a new product that I just bought and I would like to test out so that you can make a better decision to buy a better microphone for your video. So this is a condenser microphone. There are lots of reviews on Shopee, YouTube's and other websites that talks about how good is this condenser mic. I'm going to show you how it looks like and when it compares to two other things. One is a phone recording without a mic and a mic with a lavalier microphone over here. It is about less than 100 ringgit, which is relatively cheap. It is from China and it includes, number one, the sound card over here. Let me see if I can put it higher. Okay, the sound card, you can charge it. I remember there's a battery, but I just bought it, so let's just keep it charging. And this device is able to connect to your phone or your computer with Bluetooth, but it does require you to connect in wire to your microphone, and you can connect your headset, your earphones, everything as well. And it has a few effect buttons for you to do your recording. And the next one would be, of course, the microphone. The condenser microphone comes with an arm. Okay, it comes with a microphone, it comes with a filter to reduce your pop sound, and it comes with the arm as well to attach on your table. Now it is pretty hard to attach it to the table or anything in the car, so I'm just going to hold it. And let me just share with you that the product doesn't come with the instruction on how are you going to install the arm, and I'm going to just hold it. But it does give you simple instructions on how to operate the sound card. So this is the BM800. It is recently very popular. Now what you're hearing, my voice comes from the lavalier mic. Right now I'm going to remove the lavalier mic so that you can hear how my sound look like without the microphone that is clipped onto my shirt. So right now, without the microphone, I believe you can feel that my voice is a bit different. Some people might say that it's clearer, but you can hear the background sound as well because it is not directed directly to the microphone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it sounds like on the condenser microphone, and I hope that it does make a difference because it is not expensive, but I do not want to waste any money on products that are not useful. Okay, so now my phone is connected to the Bluetooth, to the sound card, and connected to the microphone. So now what you're hearing is the voice that is from the microphone. I heard many people said that with a condenser microphone, your voice might sound sexier and sound more manly for guys. For ladies, might sound better. So now I'm connected back to the lavalier microphone over here, the clip-on mic. So now you can compare the differences between the three microphones. The first one is the one on my shirt. The second one would be the built-in microphone that is in your phone, and the third one would be the condenser microphone. So we are now back to the condenser microphone again. If you are just talking about recording quality, I would say condenser microphone. Even this microphone that is as cheap as less than 100 ringgit, I would say that it makes a difference. So I hope this will help you in making a better decision in choosing your microphone if you are doing a coaching or online videos, trainings, and recording in front of your webcam and laptop. If you find this review useful so far, please subscribe to my channel at GG Strategy. Over there, I'm going to share with you more information about how to run your business online and how to market your products and services on the internet so that you get more customers and sales from the internet. So now it's your turn. Please comment which microphone are you going to invest or are you going to use in your next video. Are you going to use a condenser microphone like the one I'm using right now, or are you going to use a clip-on lavalier microphone like the one on my shirt, or you're just going to use back the built-in microphone that is in your phone? Please comment at the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Wait, an important information for you. This video is not sponsored by any microphone seller. In fact, no one paid me to do this review on this microphone. In fact, this is not even a proper review because I'm just sharing and comparing the 3 options for you so that you can do a better video for yourself and your business. So the 3 options is built-in microphone that is in your phone, the lavalier microphone, which is clip on the clothes, and the third type is the condenser microphone. I hope this video assists you to make a better choice, and I hope that you do well in your video. PPS, they should pay me for doing this video. Thank you very much for watching again, and I hope to see you in the next video. So we are now back to the condenser microphone. As you can see, or as you can hear, so if you like the video so far, and if you find this